Hi everyone! So, did you like my new intro? I'm back on my low carb diet. So, from the Easy Keto for Busy People cookbook, I'm going to try out this low carb biscuit recipe. Now, I know I tried another one before, and that one I didn't like how it turned out, so I tried this one. They look good in the picture. So, here's what I'm going to need. Come on. 1.5 cups of almond flour, 1/2 cup of sour cream, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 1/2 cup of shredded cheese. It does say cheddar. I'm using Kobe Jack. Tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder and onion powder, and 2 eggs that I need to take out of the shell. So, boop. And I need a big bowl to mix everything. So, now preheat the oven to 350. 450, not 350. Where did I get 350? And I have to mix together all the wet ingredients. So the sour cream, the butter, and a whisk. And while this is whisking, let me say the recipe calls for minced garlic. I don't have minced garlic. I don't use fresh garlic, so I'm substituting garlic powder. I always have that. It's like vanilla pudding. There we go. Now in this bowl, I have to put the dry, so coconut flour, baking powder, coconut flour, almond flour, garlic and salt. Just mix that together. We'll do this at the camera. Some more. I'll add in the wet. So it's been easier with the spatula, but I want to use the spoon to spoon them into the muffin pan. And just mix that together, and this seems runny. I have to add the cheese in still. Boy, did that cheese really soak up the moisture. Now you notice I had this muffin tin on a baking sheet. Last time I made a recipe, I just scrubbed the oven. So the baking sheet will hold it also. There we go. All lubed up. I'll just try and get this in here. I would suggest maybe using a scoop if you try making this recipe. I don't know what size you need, but I think it'd be a lot easier than trying to spoon it in like I did. See, I'm scraping the bowl. I actually kind of ran out, so I have to take some out from the rest of the wells. Into the oven. And okay. Now I did it for 11 minutes. It says to bake them until the tops are golden brown, so let's see. Those look golden to me. Let's see how they pull apart. Works better with a knife. You need butter on a biscuit, so there you go. There you go. Let's taste. And these are a lot better than the other one I made. They're so fluffy. These are probably the best bread, low-carb bread recipe I've tried. What's surprising is how much of the garlic comes through. It's just 1/4 of a teaspoon. You just eat that no crumb. You want to try? There you go. Thanks for watching.